solid waste solid waste management has emerged as a massive problem or massive challenge to the urban in India, sir. Hence, many studies have shown that unsafe method of disposal of waste can generate poisonous gases and even the leachates, which lead for the pollution of soil, air, and water, even groundwater also. And if it is neglected, it becomes destruction to the ecosystem
Ma'am, you are on mute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, according to the amendment of 1992 Act, actually, ULBs, urban local bodies, has the
Please
responsibility to
explain.
keep their cities clean and
We are not able
green.
to see your presentation.
Sir, sharing, sir.
Yes, start.
Document. It is not possible for the ULBs because of the poor understanding, poor awareness, or lack of awareness, lack of technical knowledge, and poor funding capabilities. And not only that, poor implementation of the laws and orders. For example, solid waste management rule 2016 is not implemented properly in ULBs. That is why it creates much problem to the environment. Hence, our municipal commissioner sir has taken a pilot project to reduce and minimize the wet waste to the compost yard. For that purpose, has taken barrel composting mechanism and home composting mechanism to the majority of households and to the majority of bulk waste generators. There were 26 apartments are there in Chitturi LB. Among sir was initiated barrel composting in all the apartments and in all the hotels also. There were three major hotels are there in Chitturi LB. Three hotels were maintaining and following the barrel composting method, and 16 of the apartments were sustaining the barrel composting method, and even 1,740 households were practicing home composting mechanism to on-site wet waste processing, and they were preparing organic fertilizers by home composting mechanism. And these organic fertilizers are utilized for their for the growth of their own plants, vegetable crops, and other plants, ornamental plants of their own apartment and own households. And apart from this, the wet waste which is collected by the ULB to the compost yard is processed by processed by vermicomposting and windrow composting method, and that fertilizer which is produced there at landfilling or compost yard is utilized for the cultivation of crops there itself, and the crops were cultivated there and sold by reasonable rates by our public health workers, and that amount is credited in UL based revenue. And then this issue, the pollution issue was majority of issues were solved by home composting and windrow composting and vermicomposting and barrel composting. Many of more than 95% of people are interested in reduction their waste materials. Hence, we were able to reduce methane production at landfills, which is the third most problem in India. And we were also able to reduce the amount of wet waste to the compost yard. For example, the amount of wet waste all over Andhra Pradesh is 6,400 metric tons per day. By using this process, we can reduce the amount of wet waste up to 30% of it. It makes difference. Like that, we achieved in by using barrel compost and home compost, we achieved in reduction of wet waste to the compost yard. And dry waste also processed by shredding machines and other manner. It is another process, but by home composting and barrel composting, we were able to reduce air pollution, water pollution, and other pollutions in this ELB, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Normally, waste management, solid waste management, when we talk,
Yes, sir. Yes,
this
sir.
is the process which is being followed,
Yes, sir.
in most of the places. So what
Yes,
is
sir.
special about your project?
Yes, sir. Earlier, the wet waste is mixed with the dry waste, and it was creating much problem to the compost yard also. Methanogenic bacteria, methane production is increased earlier, but that was decreased, sir, due to home composting and barrel composting and other composting methods which was done in compost yard itself.
Hmm. Well, just can you show quickly what is barrel composting? Just show me.
Sir, by using barrels, I'll show you, sir.
At which place you use?
Sir. Apartments and hotels, sir.
Hotels. Okay. Okay.
Apartments. This one. The
Barrel.
slide which.
Okay. This you call barrel. Fine.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
It's a good initiative. I wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.